What up, everybody? On this week's vlog, we're starting it off with a coyote hunt. We got a coyote coming in right by that saguaro. My buddy Justin's on shotgun, and he's gonna handle this one. We actually had some camera trouble, and we were able to get this angle on the phone in the tree. So, recommend it, guys, the phone in the tree. Followed it up with a little trip to Nogales. Hit up a skate park before we hit up Peña Blanca Lake. And they just gave this place a facelift. I'd say it definitely got a BBL and some fake tits. One more lap, buddy, one more lap. So I'm a little rusty, guys, but I was able to pull off a few moves out there. Definitely got to get back out there with the crew of homies, spend the day, and make a reel at it. Yeah, dude. Hey, what up? We made it to Peña Blanca Lake. Got my son. Got outdoor Bev right there. He's throwing on a hook. And we're gonna try to catch us some fish. Hell yeah. There's a life out here, guys. Feeling good, enjoying God's creation. Life's too short, guys, life's too short. Nice, dude. Alright, Raiden, you got a sidearm on the surface.
Am I holding it right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna throw 3. I'm gonna throw 2, and then you throw the ones I'm gonna give you, okay? Look. Oh. See how it skipped a little bit? Alright, look, I'm gonna throw one more. Actually, here's the small one. You keep the small one. You throw this one. Oh, that was terrible. Jeez. Bad example. Sidearm. Oh, look, it skipped a little bit. Oh, it skipped. Look, it skipped. And then that's what Dad did.
What the heck? What is that? A rooster? The inside is out!
Ew, what the heck? At the lake? Oh my, what? Don't touch that thing. Ugh. There's a bag right there. Oh, it stinks.
Throw them in the water.
Watch out, keep moving.
Throw them in
Let's
the
go
water.
clean up our campsite.
Throw them in the water.
Come on, let's go start gathering all of our stuff.
That big kaplump I made?
Raiden, let's leave this place cleaner than when we got here, okay?
Dad, show us the way.
Oh, did you get that on video?
I got that.
Follow me, Raiden.
Time to peace out. Later. Left it nice and clean. Clear when we got here. No dead rooster.
We're gonna rent a jet ski.
All day.
Dad,
Yep.
when we go to Canyon Lake, can we rent a boat?
Probably not a boat, but a jet ski for sure.
Careful right here, careful.
We can all go to the cliffside. You're gonna start where I'm going to walk. And I'm gonna stay there, alright?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for tagging along, and hopefully we learn how to fish. What do you got to say, Raiden? How was your day, bro?
Good.
I can't get an interview?